Alright then, fellow ninjas, so I thought this was a good time for a quick channel update because there's a few different things I want to talk about. The first one is this brand new course I just released on Udemy called Modern JavaScript from Novice to Ninja. So this course is going to take you from the very beginning of modern JavaScript and teach you all of the basics of the language. Then it's going to move on to more complex ninja level subjects like asynchronous code, Webpack, Babel, databases, object-oriented programming, and all that jazz. And along the way, we're going to create 5 projects from scratch in this course as well, including a live chat, a weather app, and a UI component library. So I created this course because a lot of my subscribers here on YouTube always ask me to create one gigantic course with pretty much everything there is to learn in JavaScript. And that is exactly what this course is all about. So it's about 19 hours in length and there is a lot of content in there. So if you truly want to become a JavaScript ninja, make sure you check out this course. The link is going to be down below and I've auto applied a discount to it. So you all get it for $9.99 instead of the full white price. Alright, so the second thing I wanted to do is apologise for the lack of coding challenges recently on the community forums. It's been a really busy few weeks for me and I've actually taken a little break away from the YouTube channel for the last 2 weeks as well. So that's the reason I've not been able to do any coding challenges. But now I am back on the tracks, my friends, and hopefully there is going to be a coding challenge coming to a forum near you in the near future for the rest of April. Okay, so the third thing I wanted to do is give a quick shout out to my friend Pratik. He's really been helping me out on my other Udemy course called Build Web Apps with Vue.js 2 and Firebase. He's essentially been answering all of the questions on the Q&A on this course and he's really been helping out all of my students. So thumbs up to him. Thank you, Pratik. And a couple of weeks ago, he sent me his blog on Medium and I said I'd give it a little shout out and a plug on this YouTube channel. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So the link to this is going to be down below. Please give him a visit and show him some love. I'm sure he would appreciate it. And finally, my friends, I just wanted to share with you what is coming up on this channel over the next 2 or 3 months. So first of all, I'm going to release a preview of that modern JavaScript course on Udemy I just talked about. So I'm going to take about the first 6 hours of that course and put it right here on YouTube for free. Then I'm going to release a Firebase hosting tutorial series, maybe Cloud Functions as well, we'll see. And then, because a lot of people have been asking me, I'm going to do a whole series on progressive web apps. Likewise, React Native 2. So that is coming up as well. And finally, if I do get more time, then I do want to do some additional PHP stuff, maybe a Laravel series, but we'll see. And that, my friends, concludes this Ninja update. So until the next video, peace.